Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rk61. I know I don't do reviews. I've never done one, so I know what you're wondering. You read the title, so like, what? Infinix is now a review channel? I don't know. We're mixing it up, I guess. So today's video is gonna be about the Rk61. Says it right there, Royal Cludge. 60% keyboard. I can't speak. I'm gonna show you the lighting effects of it because it also is mechanical. I don't know. I didn't say that, but it is a mechanical keyboard. I can't even speak. There are 3 different switches. You have the blue switches, so those are the tactile. They're really loud. Tactile sounds, I guess. The red are going to be the quieter, I guess you could say. Quieter keys. So it won't be this loud. It'll be quite quiet. So if you're looking for, like, let's say you'll hear, like, a lot of people will hear it, you might want to get that. Then you got the brown. It's definitely a quieter one, but a little bit louder, just a little bit. So that is, I guess, sort of my thing. I'm going to show you guys the lights in a quick second. Let me turn off the lights as well. See you guys in 1 second. Okay, guys, so I'm at the back of my computer. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to plug it in right now. Here we go. Boom! See that when it loads up? I think, okay, this is the colors on this thing are absolutely incredible. Like, you know, that's my computer. That's also really bright, but this thing is, this thing is actually amazing. So currently I do have the Wave, color. It looks, this is my favorite one personally, but there are so many different, combinations. And you can customize it. That is something. Hold on, real quick. 1 second. I forgot. I did not mention this. I got a few things right here, but I did not mention this is a wireless keyboard. But personally, I do not recommend it. There's really no point of having a wireless one, right? Unless the cord's too far. But it isn't too far for me, so this one is good. I don't use the wireless because I just don't need to, and it also has an 8-hour charge, like the battery. So I'm just not gonna worry about that. Why do I need to worry about battery? I just have it plugged in, and also, I mean, it is cool that they give you the option to have wireless, but it just doesn't seem needed. So here, I'll just show you real quick. I'm gonna grab my little keycap remover, and it's hard to do with one hand, but oh, there we go. Pull it out. It's kind of hard to see, but that is the blue key. I'm gonna put my. So yeah, you can swap out your keys. There we go. Push that in there. Simple. So you might think, it's gonna be super hard to change your colors. It's really not. You press. Here we go. Whoa, boom, and this little color right here with the little sun thing, and then boom, that's off, or that's off colors. There we go. So that's something quite cool. I'm gonna exit. I'm playing a game, so that's why it's so weird. So that one I really like. I'm a big fan of that one. You just press right in the middle. Boom. That's something I think is really cool. This one's just you can't, it doesn't change if you press it. This one's just crazy, like a crazy, I don't know, pattern. Kind of like a side to side. You can't tell what this one is. It's kind of just a flash of colors and then that's actually pretty decent. This one is just the pure blue. I am a big fan of this one as well. If you're looking for a full blue, like, setup and stuff, it's definitely pretty good for that. This is just the one single key. This is just a bright pinkish, different kind of colors like this. This one, flashes every once in a while. This one's just kind of crazy. This one is just pretty much a rainbow. It does switch up a little bit though, so yeah. So many different colors. So this is like a breathing, I think. Yeah, breathing dark blue. It looks great, I think. So this is just like a more of a color changing breathing type thing. This one I am a big fan of. It's like an explosion and the H key there, but it all comes out. I'm a big fan of it. I think I like it a lot. It looks pretty cool. This one, I think, oh yeah, it's from top to bottom colors. And there's the wave again. I think there's another, like, there's like a fire one that looks like fire, so it's like red, orange, and yellow. It looks really cool. But that is the Rk61 by, hold on, it's on the side, Royal Kludge. So that's pretty cool. This is a great keyboard. Only 60 bucks. It's great. I'm a big fan of it. I really enjoy this keyboard. Really nice. It fits on my entire mouse pad, so that's, well, obvious. I mean, you've got a ton of space. So, yeah, that's the Rk61. Big fan of it. And yeah, go check out my Twitch. Is in the bottom of the description. And hope it was a good review. So this is my first review. So first review. I'll tell you one thing. The spacebar is a little wobbly, but that is not a problem for me at all. So yeah, that's my review, and see you guys later in the next video. My next video is going to be a review on the Corsair K95, I think. So yeah, let's get to that review, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.